Amigo is a social habit tracker built around accountability and consistency. On the home screen, users can track score, rewards, momentum, streaks, and daily check-ins. Flip phone mode tracks focus sessions when the phone is placed face down. Users can create habits, mark daily progress, and manage up to multiple habits together. Now moving to the Amigo screen. Here, users receive witness requests and connect with accountability partners. This feature allows live sharing of witness cards and work updates in real time. Users can create pods for group accountability by selecting the pod category, setting the active duration period, adding witnesses or members, and creating custom rules, goals, and conditions that every member inside the pod follows together for. On the performance screen, users can monitor overall tracking scores, analyze momentum growth, measure daily consistency, and access a complete productivity dashboard with detailed graphs, analytics, score trends, and habit performance insights generated from check-ins and completed activities over time. The calendar section provides a visual history of streaks, daily activity, and habit completion patterns. Finally, profile screen displays profile details, witness count, bio, and profile editing options. Amigo makes habit tracking more social, interactive, and accountable.